Hi folks, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing two stocks I'm watching this week and maybe even in 2022. But without further ado, let's see what the market looks like. I hope you guys are okay with the white background. I try to switch it up just to see if people like it more and prefer it to the darker one. So let me know in the comments. So on SPY last week we had a range, a wide range, like a big range, where we traded between 451 and we even went as high as 472.22 last week within 4 trading days. Wow. We have a gap between Wednesday's close and Thursday's open that might get filled, it might not get filled, but just something to watch out for. Uh, we need 470 to hold. It's a key level to hold for us to continue to push higher and eventually break this resistance levels that we see here at 472.22 and then 473.50. We might be able to break it this week, we might not. It depends on the market conditions and what news we get this weekend or on Monday morning. You never know. It's been unpredictable as always. So those are just some levels to keep in mind. I think regardless of how much of a pullback we get, we want to see 467 hold. If 467 does not hold, the next level I think would be 465. My bad. So sorry. Be around 465. So those are the levels I'm just paying attention to for SPY. Around 465. So yeah, we need 465 to hold if we get any form of pullback, and then we need to watch for breakouts above 472 and then eventually 473.50 to see more highs. It's funny how most people were predicting 500 by the end of the year, but I don't think that would happen. Maybe in January, we'll see. But I'll go ahead now to discuss the two stocks I'm watching. The first one on the list is Facebook. I like Facebook because Facebook has been consolidating for a while and it's been lagging behind all the tech stocks that have run. It hasn't really had a nice rally. But I'm watching Facebook for a breakout above 437 to see more highs. Above 437, it can go to 439 and then 340, and then if it's feeling really happy, 344 is possible, and so forth. I'll mark it out. See here. And then here. Eventually. So this is zone 340. Just 344. So these are good levels to watch on Facebook. So 342 right there. So Facebook, nice levels to watch it. How it reacts above 337, 339, 342, and 344 level. If it breaks 337, you want to see it hold, and then you want to see how it reacts at 339. But if Facebook doesn't break 337, I would just not really be interested in it until it maybe confirms that, okay, I'm gonna head back down and it breaks 328. Long term, Facebook is a good investment. This is not investment advice. So it can also be something you can look into long term, do your due diligence, and figure out if it works for you. They have a lot going on business wise. So going into 2022, I'm interested in seeing what Facebook does with its business. The next one I'm going to be looking at, and it's the final one, is Fubo. So Fubo right here has had not a great time. It's been in a bad downtrend since November, and it looks like it found a floor like at 15, and it's reversing. But some levels need to be confirmed and some levels need to hold. Right now, I want it to hold 1640. If it breaks 1640, that's a stop. Like, you know that it's not going to continue. It's just going to come back down and retest this floor it found at 15. So for Fubo, you want to see price break above this 18 level for more potential like upside. And then levels to watch are like 1964 and then 2067 as well. So that's it on the list. We talked about SPY and what I think would happen this week. What I think does not matter. Whatever the market shows is what we're going to play. If it says no, we're not going up, then we watch and see. If it says we're heading back down, we also watch and see how we can play that. And then I talked about Facebook. And then Facebook, you need 337 to break for more continuation to the upside. And then Fubo, you need 18 to break for more continuation to the upside. Let's see what happens here. It's going to be an interesting week for sure. Hope you all learned something from this. Let me know in the comments what you think, what you're watching. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you're watching in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you. Have a great week.